In this video we will be looking at instructions, and in IsiXhosa, without getting too technical, we find that there are three categories of verb stems, namely one syllable or so-called monosyllabic verb stems, which are used in singular and plural instructions as follows. Highlighted is the verb stem Yeza, yezani, come. Yima, yimani, wait. Yiya, yiyani, evenkileni, go to the shop. Yihla, yihlani, get down. Yitya, yityani, eat. And what we notice here is that yi is prefixed to the verb stem, and in the plural ni is added. The negatives of these instructions are formed as follows. Sukuma, sanukuma, don't stand here. Sukuya, sanukuya, apo, don't go there. Sukulwa, sanukulwa, don't fight. Sukutya, sanukutya ilekese, don't eat sweets. Here, suku is prefixed to form the singular negative command, and sanuku to form the plural, and the yi used in the positive now falls away. The second category consists of vowel verb stems, which are used in the singular and plural instructions as follows. Yenza, yenzani, iti, make tea, singular and plural. Yaka, yakani, udonga, build the wall. Yondla, yondlani, izinja, feed the dogs. Here, y is prefixed in the singular and ni is added to form the plural. The negatives are formed as follows. Sukwenza, sanukwenza, iti. So sukuenza, sanukuenza has or have become sukwenza and sanukwenza. The same applies with aka, sukuaka, sukwaka, sanukuaka, sanukwaka, udonga. Don't make tea, don't build the wall. Sukoyika and sanukoyika we notice here with the verb stem oyika, and that is because of the fact that in IsiXhosa you will never have a W-O combination. Therefore, not sukwo, but sukoyika and sanuk oyika. Don't be afraid. The third category we call just regular verb stems consisting of two or more syllables, in grammatical terms bisyllabic or polysyllabic stems, and are the easiest to work with and also make up the majority of IsiXhosa verb stems. Vula, vulani, ifestile, open the windows. Vala, valani, incwadi, close the books. Khawuleza, khawulezani, hurry. Baleka, balekani, run. Thula, thulani, be quiet. And here we can see in the singular the verb stem is unchanged, and in the plural ni is added. The negatives are also very straightforward as follows. Sukuvula, sanukuvula ifestile, don't open the windows. Sukuvala, sanukuvala incwadi, don't close the books. Sukungcola, sanukungcola, don't make a noise. Sukuthetha, sanukuthetha, don't speak. Sukungxama, sanukungxama, don't be in such a hurry. Quite simply, suku and sanuku are prefixed to the verb stems, and of course we take note of the fact that the a ending remains unchanged. That concludes this video. Enkosi kakhulu.